Dear students, welcome to the class of physics. This is the first class. In this class, we shall study about the chapter electricity. In this electricity chapter, in this period, we shall study about only what is electricity, what is the unit of electricity, and what is volt, and what is the circuit. That's all. Okay. So now first we shall try to define the electricity. Definition: what is electricity? Electricity is simply we say that flow of electrons or negative charges. Electrons are flow from negative to positive, but conventionally in circuit we show that positive to negative. The direction is shows positive to negative, but this is flow of electron from negative to positive. Okay. So it is also defined as, this is the definition, real definition: quantity of flow of electric charges through the point of a conductor in a unit time. It is also defined as the quantity of flow of electric charges through the point of a conductor in unit time. What it means? So if you remember this I equal to Q by T, then you can write the definition. How you can write the definition? Q means coulomb, T means time. So in 1 second, how many coulomb charges are passed through a point? That is called current. What is current? In 1 second, how many coulomb current is charges is called current. Okay. So therefore Q equal to IT. This also expresses Q equal to IT. So therefore current is defined as the quantity of flow of electric charges through the point of a conductor in a unit time. Okay. So it is also defined as rate of flow of electric charges, or you can write also rate of flow of electric charges. Rate means that is nothing but same meaning. In unit time, how many electric charges are passing through a point? Okay. Now SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. SI unit of electric charges is coulomb. 1 coulomb is equal to 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Remember, 1 coulomb is equal to 6 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Okay. And charge of electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. This is the charge. Okay. Next, he is the coulomb. He found the charge of electrons. So therefore his name is Coulomb. So we use the word coulomb to as a unit of charge. The SI unit of electricity is ampere. SI unit of coulomb is charge. SI unit of charge is coulomb. The SI unit of electricity is ampere. This is denoted by A. It is represented by phi A, means 5 ampere current. 5 ampere current. Okay. Here French scientist Andre Ampere found that, who is lived in 1775 to 1836. Therefore his name is, he invented that. Therefore we use that the unit as ampere. Now he is the Ampere who found the electric current, ammeter and ampere. So definition of ampere. So current means flow of electric charges in unit time. So if you consider 1 coulomb, 1 second, so then ampere is 1 unit. So remember, you can't by heart. So what is 1 ampere? 1 ampere means put 1 everything, 1 coulomb, 1 second, 1 ampere. That means if in 1 second 1 coulomb charge is passed through a point, then the current is 1 ampere. Remember, if 1 coulomb charge is passing through the point in 1 second, then current flowing through that conductor is 1 ampere. So you can easily remember I equal to Q by T. If Q equal to 1 coulomb, T equal to 1 second, that means what? That means 1 coulomb current is passing through the conductor in 1 second. That current is 1 ampere. Okay. So therefore 1 ampere equal to 1 second by 1 coulomb by 1 second. That means in a 1 second, if 1 coulomb is charge is passed through the conductor, then the amount of current passing through that conductor is 1 ampere. Okay. So now the other units of electric current is milliampere. Milliampere means 1 mA, that equal to 10 to the power of minus 3A. These are very simple and very small measurement. Microampere, that is microampere. This is microampere, symbol used 10 to the power of minus 6A. This is also very small measurement. The instrument used to measure current is ammeter. So this is the ammeter. See here, this is the ammeter. In symbol, we use this symbol as ammeter. So this is the ammeter used to in circuit. Symbol used to ammeter, represent ammeter in circuit. So now problem, small problem. In a conductor of the bulb 0.5 A, current is flow in 10 minutes. Find the quantity of electric charge in circuit. So list out what are given here. I is given 0.5 A. T, it is in minute. You know that SI unit of time is second. So convert that 10 into 60. So 600 seconds. So what is Q? Q equal to IT. You know that 0.5 into 600. 6 5 the 30. 3000. After one digit you will put a decimal point. Then you will get 300 coulomb. So answer is 300 coulomb. Similarly, I am giving a problem here. So try to solve it. In a conductor 15 coulomb electric charges are passed through 10 seconds. Find the electric current flow through it. You have to find I. You know that I equal to Q by T. So find out this. Electric circuit. What is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a path to flow of current. This is a path to flow of current in which bulb, electric source, ammeter, plug key or switch are connected through a conductor so that current flow easily. This is an arrangement made to show that current is flows through. So that is called circuit. Electric circuit is a path to flow of current in which bulb, electric source, ammeter, plug key or switch are connected through the conductor so that current flow easily. This is bulb. These are the components of circuit, simple circuit. This is switch, you know that. This is ammeter. Ammeter is simple circuit, ammeter is no need, but to measure current it is need. So these are battery sources, battery, dry shell or battery. This is conductor. So these are the main components to form a circuit. What are the main components? Bulb, switch, ammeter, source of current and conductor. These are the main 5 important instruments to complete the circuit, to make a circuit, or components to form a circuit. Okay. So now symbol used to represent the component of circuit. So bulb, source of electricity, ammeter, open switch, closed switch. So bulb is represented like this. Remember, source of electricity. Here big line is shows positive, small line is shows negative. Ammeter, this is, as you know, close open switch, this is closed switch, this is conductor. So these are the symbol used to component of the circuit in a ray diagram. So now ray diagram of the circuit. This is the simple ray diagram of the circuit. This is the switch, this is the battery, this is bulb is lighting. So therefore this is closed circuit because switch is on, here switch is connected. So now we have two types of circuit. So now how to draw the ray diagram. So like this, ammeter, conductor, switch, conductor, source. This is plus, this is minus. This is called open circuit because here you can observe this. Here switch is not closed, therefore current is not flowing. Therefore current is not flowing. This is called open circuit. Now if like this, here this shows the flow of current because here switch is closed, therefore this is closed circuit, therefore current is flowing. This is called closed circuit. Okay, so this much is all. Answer, try to answer yourself this question. Define electric current. Which is the unit of current? Name the instrument used to measure. Define ampere. Define electric current. So repeat 2 times electric current. What are the main components of the electric circuit? Write the symbols used. Write the neat diagram of the simple circuit with ammeter. If 2A current is flow through the circuit, 5 minutes, find the electric charge. Write the difference between the open circuit and closed circuit. Write the ray diagram. So thank you. I think in the next class we shall study about the potential and potential difference and Ohm's law. Okay, thank you.